can't go to jail because I don't have no bail. So I'm going to write about it. You want to get a piece about it? Like to hear it?
Here you go.
Here you go. Because you own records and CDs doesn't mean you can spin. You're not an MC because you own paper and pens. You grabbed the mic because it was open. Thought you were getting us all open. When really we're all just hoping you're approaching the end. Yeah, I'm your friend. That's why I gotta tell you the truth. You didn't set fire to the roof, you barely lit a match. You grabbed the mic trying to be cute, warm up a little longer, your eggs weren't ready to hatch. Don't flex muscle till you get stronger. Maybe then you can catch wreck. But for now, you're holding the audience hostage with your rhetoric. Show respect to the elders on the mic. Establishing a name for yourself while dissing those who came before you is suicide. But who am I to say you're whack? A student of the art. An old school hip-hop head with heart. Studying to show myself approved. A sister paying dues. Constantly working on my craft to improve. But you're making premature moves. You suffer from delusions of grandeur. Into the poetry slam and got slammed, sir. Prefer to walk in piety and got served. And just so you know, that's the wackest shit I ever heard. Word. Learn to be reserved and word. That's the wackest shit I ever heard. Word. Learn to be reserved and listen. Trying to floss like Big Willie when you ain't got a pot to piss in. You ain't a boss, you're a peasant. Take time to study your lessons. Work on your stage presence. Could have respected you more if you came humble and pleasant. Instead, you fronted like a long-term resident when you barely signed your lease. Normally, I come in peace, but this time I'm bringing my peace. You make me sick. Can't stand those front-ass tricks. I'm bringing my click, and you're getting evicted. You can charge with being a bitch, and you're rightfully convicted. Give me that microphone stand now. Everybody's clapping their hands finally. You got a round of applause. If you got kicked off stage and clocked in the jaw. The lyrical police beat your ass. Everybody give him a hand. He's been sentenced to hip-hop history class. Stages, you've been banned. I'm standing in my B-girl stance, hoping that you understand that this ain't no kitty crap. It makes me really mad when cats treat this like a silly fad. You get chained to your pen and locked to your pad. And if you can't come up with nothing clever, then you're never getting out, my man. The only solution is an acceptable contribution. And if that doesn't happen, then just learn to be a fan.
There you go.
You to suffer from delusions of grandeur.
Say that.